Lucas, what are you saying? Can you talk to us? Wow. It's quite windy out here, isn't it? Wow. Lucas likes the wind. It's warm out. Here's Mommy. We're on the deck.
Mom.
Soyuz. Kathy enjoying a glass of wine. You rather windy. A nice day, but... And here's the jungle cat.